Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Detail Matters. If you don't know me already, I'm Bradley Mills, your curator of your monthly auto detailing subscription box, GloveBox. Today, we're going to go through our April 2020 GloveBox with a special guest behind me, a 1970 Mercedes-Benz 280 SL. All coming up on this episode. First, from Jay Leno's Garage, we have their vehicle wash. It's a pH neutral soap. What does that mean? You hear that all the time, pH neutral. So, quickly, with my chemist thinking, the pH scale goes from 0 to 14. Neutral is considered 7, so this is around 7. Above 7 is considered alkaline. Below 7 is considered acidic. Alkaline is more for cleaning dirt and grease. Acidic is more for cleaning like calcium and rust. So what the heck does that matter to us? Well, we want pH neutral because we don't want to F up our paint. So something soft, something that will do its job. Now, if you're going to clean the engine bay or some other areas, you might go at different levels of the pH scale depending on what you're trying to accomplish. But for today, to keep it simple, vehicle wash from Jay Leno's Garage, pH neutral, safe for your paint surface, safe for your exterior glass, if you want to use this on your rims and tires or wheel wells, it's safe for anything you use. We got you. Also, a little pop top if you want to use that instead of just opening and pouring this in. Typically what I do for my 5-gallon bucket, which typically has 3 gallons of water in it, I will put 3 to 4 ounces of the vehicle wash in there. So this full-size bottle, 16 ounces, will get you a lot of washes. Remember, I know I've talked about this before, the caps usually on these bottles are a ½ an ounce when you fill them up. So if you're precise or want to be close to precise, if you're doing 3 to 4 ounces, what does that mean? Math, 6 to 8 capfuls. So there you go, little insider trader tip. Number 1, done. So look, boom, we start with our proper wash. We have other videos that show how my steps and procedures, I do that through bucket method and all that stuff, or waterless wash, whatever you guys choose. You could be able to go back and look at those. But first, we set you up right. Wash. Then what? Bam! Monster bottle. It's 25.36 fluid ounces. From our friends at SONAX USA, we have the spray and seal. This alone is a game changer. So here, stay with me here. We wash our car, right? Properly. The car's still wet after we rinse off the suds. Are we gonna dry it right away? No, hold on. We are gonna spray down about 4 sprays about 2 sprays I'll do in a 4-foot area, right? So like the hood, I'll do 2 to 4 sprays on there, and then I'll rinse it off right away. What is this? This is spray and seal. Obviously, it will seal your vehicle, but it gives you 3 months of protection. Super easy to do to keep your car more hydrophobic, keep your car shiny, cleaner longer. This is the product, and it doesn't take you that much time. Why wouldn't you do this? You can use this on glass, and you can use this on the rims, and you can use it on paint, you can use it on chrome. Duh, do it. For me, I'm a little over the top sometimes when it comes to cleaning, obviously, but I'll wash my car. I'll use spray and seal at the end when I'm before I dry my car. When the car's still wet, spray it on, then rinse it off, watch the beading happen, and then I'll also dry my car with a drying aid, something like the past that we included is Adam's H2O Garden Gloss, or Ammo has a great product called Hydrate. Why not? It's something, I'm gonna go through those steps anyways of rinsing my car, of drying my car. Why not add a little bit of protection during that time and add a little bit of shine, and it's just, it doesn't take me that much longer to do. So, bam, wash, protect. What's next? This bottle's so big I might block myself, so we'll go like that so you guys still see it. We're gonna jump into the inside. We are gonna go with the Limitless Car Care Cockpit Care. Yeah, that's freaking hard to say. Interior dressing with UV protectants. You can use this on your leather, you can use this on your dash, your steering wheels. I'm more of a supple, natural look kind of person in the interior of my vehicles. But if you like shiny, just add more. So what I do is, well, before I get too far, of course we gave you something to put it on with. From our friends over at Autofiber, we have the finger applicator. Bam. So we got you. Also, what I like when I store these, it fits right over the top really easily, so it stays together. Or if you want to put that in the bag and tape it to the side so you don't use this on some other area of your car with a different product. So one little thing I like to do. When I do this, one thing that drives me crazy is when you wipe down the interior of your car. Well, here, let me back up. Step one, clean the interior of your car, vacuum, wipe down the dust, grime, all that stuff. And then this is your last step to get it dialed in. So I'll put a small little line on here, and then I'll work the product up and down in a small section, and then right to left. And then I usually wipe it off with a towel. Hold on, I'll show you that in a minute. But, ooh, I hate it. Almost worse than I hate seeing people wash cars with leaving their license plates on, all that grime and dirt hiding behind there. But when you do your interior, you're blasting through it and you're like, oh yeah, I'm putting this UV protectant on there, I'm making it look so nice and clean and new. And then you get back in there and there's all these weird streaks. It looks disgusting. What is that from? That's from not covering all your areas properly. That's why I always say up and down, right to left. Make sure you get every single section, and also your hand pressure. So in here, I want my hands to be flat as possible. If you're a wet sander, you know what I'm talking about. So flat as possible. I don't want to put too much pressure on my middle finger or my pointer finger, and that's where I'll get that one line that's has a little bit more product than the others. Nice and flat, not putting a lot of pressure, cleaning all the areas very well, wiping it off if you choose to, and then going back over later with a light and just making sure you don't have those streaks. So now that my rant's over about that, bam, Limitless Car Care Cockpit Care with your Autofiber finger applicator. And then, as usual, amazing towel. So this towel here, the Autofiber, shake that out, Korean Plush 460, I'm sorry, don't forget that extra 10, 470 GSM microfiber towel. You can use this after you dry your car and you want to use your spray wax or to wipe up any areas that you might have missed, or you can use this on your interior as well. It's safe to use anywhere. Just make sure that this is going to be your exterior towel. Keep it as that, even after you properly wash it. You can watch past videos about how I talk about washing towels. Or if it's your interior towel, bam, keep it with your interior. Rims and tires, keep it with rims and tires, engine bay. Don't cross-contaminate, even after you wash them onto your other areas, paint, interior, so forth. So amazingness, and as usual, GloveBox sticker. This month, we have different colors in there, so I'm not sure what color you guys got. I'm a little partial to the gold. Let us know which one you guys had. Shoot us some pictures. We love to see your guys' cars all dialed in. What else? Oh, one little extra card with a discount code from Limitless Car Care. And that, my friends, is our April 2020 GloveBox. Wash, protect, triple check, clean up, dial in the interior. You have something to apply it with. This is our complete subscription, and then as you know, we also have our essentials subscription, which has the smaller sample sizes, around 2 to 4 ounce products. That's it, guys. I'm gonna get back on this Mercedes-Benz 280 SL. Like I said, this is a 1970. We have been tirelessly working on this full wet sand job. Just to kind of give you an insight what's going on behind the scenes here. When you do full wet sand, comment below too if you guys want me to dive in deeper on those kind of detailing videos. But after measuring this paint with our paint depth gauge, we had some areas that were pretty thin and some areas that were a little higher, so we had to kind of find a good middle ground. So we started with 2000 grit, worked our way up from there and polished it out just to get this surface as flat and mirror-like as possible. And what else? We have to triple check everything on there, dial some things under the engine bay a little bit more, wheel wells, clean up the chrome a little bit. So we still have about a day left on this one. Oh, the top, fix some scuffs on the top fabric areas. But definitely going to be using the Limitless Cockpit care in there. Of course, our towel to triple check. These we'll save for when this comes back for a maintenance and upkeep. As always, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Show us some support. Let us know what you want. Trust me, we listen to see exactly where you want us to go with these videos, what products you might want to test out in your next glove box. You can always check us out for more upcoming tips and tricks at our YouTube, GloveBox Detail, or at our website, gloveboxdetail.com. Across the board, social medias, GloveBox Detail. Thanks, guys. Until next time, take care.